Hello everyone, in this video where I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. The coupon will be automatically applied for you. Now, let's dive into today's topics. What is Bluehost? Bluehost is a leading web hosting provider renowned for its user-friendly interface, robust features, and exceptional customer support. Trusted by individuals, small businesses, and enterprises alike, Bluehost offers a comprehensive suite of hosting solutions tailored to meet diverse needs. Benefits of Bluehost: reliability. Bluehost guarantees unparalleled uptime, ensuring your website remains accessible round the clock. With advanced infrastructure and optimized servers, you can trust Bluehost to keep your online presence seamless and uninterrupted. Affordability. Avail yourself of Bluehost's cost-effective hosting plans designed to fit any budget without compromising on quality. Plus, with a special offer in 2024, you can enjoy up to a whopping 75% discount on hosting, making it even more budget-friendly. Free 1-year domain. Your online identity starts with a domain name. With Bluehost, you receive a complimentary domain registration for the first year, empowering you to kickstart your website journey without any additional expenses. SSL certificate for enhanced security. Safeguard your visitors' data and instill trust with a free SSL certificate included in every Bluehost plan. Encrypt sensitive information and protect your website against potential cyber threats, elevating your security posture effortlessly. One-click WordPress installation. Embrace the power of WordPress with Bluehost's seamless one-click installation. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or a novice, setting up your website has never been easier thanks to Bluehost's intuitive interface. 24/7 customer support. Need assistance at any hour of the day? Bluehost's dedicated support team is at your service, ready to address queries, troubleshoot issues, and guide you through every step of your hosting journey. Special deal in 2024. Bluehost hosting coupon code. As a testament to its commitment to customer satisfaction, Bluehost is offering an exclusive deal in 2024. Use the provided coupon code to unlock savings of up to 65% on hosting, coupled with a complimentary domain registration. Don't miss this opportunity to embark on your online venture with Bluehost's unbeatable offer. 30-day money-back guarantee. Still not convinced? Bluehost offers a risk-free trial with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Experience the power of Bluehost hosting firsthand, and if it doesn't meet your expectations, rest assured knowing you can claim a full refund within the first month of service. In conclusion, Bluehost emerges as a trailblazer in the realm of web hosting, offering a winning combination of reliability, affordability, and unmatched features. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or business owner, Bluehost provides the perfect platform to bring your online vision to life. Seize the opportunity and embark on your digital journey with Bluehost today. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jesus bless you.